mute your mics. Okay. So first thing, anyways, we have to do the warm up and other stuff, because this long form needs a lot of talking and breaking this patterns and all. So I won't spend much time in gibberish, but it's basically gibberish talking, like for 30 seconds. You throw a topic, which we did, and you just speak out on that topic. Okay. On my screen, I see Josephine first. So throw a topic for Josephine. It's 30 seconds. She'll talk something about it. Okay. Like this, we'll finish all the 9 people. Then we'll start the long form. Okay. Cool. Josephine, please throw a topic for Josephine. Somebody unmute and say topic for Josephine.
Disinfectant.
Okay, a disinfectant. Very contextual. Please
Okay.
talk about disinfectants for 30 seconds.
30 seconds in gibberish or?
No, not gibberish.
No.
You have to just.
Okay. So disinfectant. Actually, not a lot of people know about this this topic, but what you can do with disinfectant is that you can actually clean your house. Some people do think that it's very useful for cleaning your body, but after long studies, it has been proven that it's less efficient than cleaning your door or cleaning, let's say, your bathrooms or things like that. Because actually it's quite difficult to digest. So that's why it's preferable to use it for extra.
Time is up. Thank you so much, Josephine. It's way more insightful from the most powerful person in the world. Yeah, that's for sure. Please mute it. Now, somebody throw a topic for Moses Sample.
Chai.
Chai, bro. Yeah, time starts now.
Oh, chai is a staple for most.
Faster.
Oh, chai is a staple for most stoners because like that increases your high. I like chai when I'm high and not high. I have it in the morning. Usually I like green tea also sometimes, but like green tea and chai, what's the difference, right? Like if you add milk, does that become chai? Or is it because, how?
Moses, fast.
Huh.
You're thinking. Your time is up. Sorry. Prathana, somebody throw a topic for Prathana. It should be very interesting. Yeah.
I really want to know what's the difference between chai and is green tea chai?
Green tea is chai, bro.
No,
green tea is tea, no.
I mean,
no, you're saying yes.
For me, chai is not only tea with milk, but I'll let some experts talk on this.
Yeah, people generally say chai is the milk tea.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. So chai is milk tea. Let's stick to that.
But there's also Kadak chai, which is like black tea.
And Sulaimani, what is Sulaimani chai then? It's everywhere, it changes. Anyway.
Sulaimani chai is without milk, but some masala they'll put elaichi or something. I don't know.
Oh.
I think chai constitutes masala.
Sharon tea stall.
God, we're not discussing about chai now, please. Give a topic to Prathna. We cannot waste time today.
Totally unlaughable topic, please.
No, give her a very tricky topic, bro. Somebody please throw. Come on.
Prayers.
Moses only will give forward, no? In Prathna will...
Thanks.
What's the topic?
Prayers.
Prayer.
Prayer.
Okay, prayer. Awesome. Okay. Time starts now.
The most useless thing in the world has to be that. I'm not going to refer to what is that because I live among it. I know I have been named that, but I'm not that. I am the opposite of that. How about you all stop doing that and actually start doing something productive, because that is not doing anything to your life. Just like get up, get out of that place.
Time is up. Time is up.
And Excel or something.
Stop. It was very insightful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now I see Udbhav. A topic for Udbhav. Udbhav, unmute. Yeah.
YouTube.
Mute.
Oh my God. Yeah, YouTube.
Time starts now.
Yeah, YouTube is like the library of all the events that has happened in the world, and you can see it with your own eyes. And it comprises of like all range of videos, ranging from kids and
faster Udbhav,
and all that to all the Bollywood music to all the funny videos to even like random.
Not louder, faster.
Random shit like I don't know, people failing at pranks and people failing at making videos, and then the YouTube controversies and all that, and then my whole like half of my life has gone spending watching YouTube.
Time's up. Yeah, we have a confession too. Awesome. Mute, please. And who else? I see Bhavna now. After that, hi Elrida. We're doing just 1 minute talk. Okay. Bhavna, a topic for Bhavna. Please, people, be proactive.
Emotion.
Emotion. Yeah. Please. Your time's up now.
So emotions lead you to do anything you want and lead you into success and to the jail. But if you go to jail, then you're poorly discriminated and abused in the
Bhavna,
society
faster,
and all
please.
that. If you go to, but if you don't go to jail and you succeed, then everyone puts you on a pedestal. But then both of them are caused by emotions only. So are emotions good or bad? There's a debate going on. Please support link in bio.
Jharna, a topic for Jharna, please.
Tomato.
Me too.
Bollywood.
Bollywood. Okay, Bollywood. Time's up now. Unmute, Jharna. Unmute. Yeah, and start speaking. Don't think.
Bollywood is something I know very little about. I have probably watched 4 or 5 films in the last 4 or 5 years. I'm trying to think what they were. I think
Faster.
Idiots, and I quite enjoyed that. And then there was Tare Zameen Par, and I quite enjoyed that too. And I can't remember a lot of movies that have a lot of singing just out of the blue and then changing like 30 garments within 30 seconds. And there's a lot of...
Stop, Jharna, stop. You would pay Sanjay Leela Bhansali a lot. Anyway, stop. Now, Elrida. I see Elrida now. A topic for Elrida. Bread. Okay, bread. Talk about bread.
So when do I start?
No, you started. Yeah.
Okay. Should I have no idea? I'm so bad at this. Okay, there's like brown bread, which I've been probably into, but I've not been eating a lot of bread because I've gotten gluten-free and sugar-free, so that's been quite a challenge. I'm used to having like bread and butter from like most breakfast, but now it's just like dosa or like idli. But then I've also gone off like all of the sweets and like bakery goods, so that's like unfortunate. Since sliced bread, like I don't even know what that means. What does that mean, since sliced bread? Like people just keep saying random shit like that all the time. It doesn't make any sense. But like, yeah, bread is like my life. Doesn't make a lot of sense right now. I can't relate to it anymore. So I'm kind of like trying to figure out a way to like
stop.
Gluten-free. Doesn't make sense.
Okay, nice. I didn't know bread could be an interesting topic, but yeah. Sahitya, a topic for Sahitya.
Really?
Talk about literature, bro. Seriously, I want to hear.
Literature is available in many languages. Literature is the way we talk. Is the
talk faster, Sahitya. Talk faster. You're thinking.
Literature is available in many languages, and talking about languages, India has many languages, and out of my favorite languages are Telugu, Hindi, and English. And I don't know how many people speak English in the world, but I think about more than 5 crore people speak Telugu in the world.
Time is up. Yeah. Thank you so much. It was about languages. Anisha, a topic for Anisha, please.
Stapler.
Pratna only gave. I can feel it. Anyway, yeah.
The stapler is that unique binding object that keeps all your question papers together. It is the real tryst of destiny that will help your papers not get lost. The stapler is a regular thing at the stationery shop, and it has not evolved a lot in these past few years and centuries. Have you ever seen staplers in...
Time is up. You can be spokesperson for staplers, I am sure. For Ancilla, yeah. I hope she's the last person. Yeah.
Yoga.
I'll read out.
Okay.
Yeah, she'll speak about yoga. Yeah.
All right. So yoga
Yeah, the first thing that comes to my mind when I think of yoga is Surya Namaskar. And apparently there's, so basically I've been following these cult life series these days, and they have all these Surya Namaskar challenges, like you do 21 times Surya Namaskar in one go, and probably like apparently it keeps you flexible, and yoga gives you like a peaceful state of mind. It makes you feel happy every day. It probably works. I mean, like it makes you stress free. Isn't 1 minute over? But
The time is up. Yeah.
yeah, all right.
It's not 1 minute, it is 30 seconds, but still.
So,
But yeah, cool. Awesome, guys. I hope I did not leave anybody. Okay. So now here comes the main thing which I want to try. It's called mock quote. Okay. We know in a quote, people like always there's something has happened. There are two parties. One prosecutes, one defends its stance, whatever that is. There is cross questioning. Before that, there is opening statement and there is a closing statement. This is how general quote thing happens. I never been to court, but whatever movies I watched, this is how it is. And in US, there is a jury. Like basically, it's not the judge who has to listen these things, but a jury you have to convince. A jury like a set of 7 people or 10 people. So if you could convince majority, any person can convince majority. If they get a majority towards an argument, then that side the case goes. So if it's for, let's say like, yeah, what is 12, Sam? 12 Angry Men. Yeah, that's an amazing movie. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, that's how it is. It's basically jury works in that way. So what we are doing right now today, here in all the people, I think how many people we have? We have 10 people excluding me. Okay. And so you have to choose one person is an accused. Just decide now who that person is. I cannot be, sorry. I am the logistics guy. I'm the guy with the turban and make sure that the narrative happens, except me.
Elrida.
Everybody agrees that Elrida is the accused. We have to choose one. Okay, we have 2 votes. 3. Saita is like contemplating. Jharna is question mark. Okay. Oh, okay. Lot of Elrida. Elrida is the accused. Okay. So I'm messaging something to Elrida. It's basically whether she did the crime or not right away, and she's not gonna tell it to anybody. At the end of the thing, we'll get to know. Okay. Okay. I'll do that, and then now Elrida chooses her lawyer. Choose a lawyer.
Pratna.
Pratna is your lawyer. Okay.
She knows about that. So
okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. And the person, like Elrida is an accused, right? And the person who put that petition, main party, the opposing party, who should that be? Anybody can choose.
Jharna.
One person. Oh, awesome. Any more Jharnas? I got 2 votes. Ansela, okay, 3. Saita, what victory sign I'm? Okay, 4. Okay, awesome. Cool. So Jharna is the opposing party, and Jharna, you have to choose a lawyer. Your lawyer. Jharna, unmute.
I said Sahitya.
Sahitya is your lawyer. Okay, cool. So I have this thing. Okay, 2 parties, Elrida, Jharna. It's Elrida versus Jharna. Okay, and Elrida's lawyer is Pratna's, and Jharna's lawyer is Sahitya. Awesome, 4 people done. Okay, now this like what the case actually happened. Okay, I'll tell you the case. Okay, so I'll tell you. So one person. Okay, it's a complex case. I thought I would easily narrate, but now it's like, okay, there are so many characters, I have to fix it. Okay, It's basically there is this one wonderful granny, okay, who's a awesome theater actor. She's not like sitting and doing weaving and all, okay. And she she's producing plays and does a lot of acting and everything. So she calls. She meets Elreda. Okay, that granny meets Elreda to produce a play. Okay, and basically the play involves this particular Elreda to play male and female guy, like these guys. Okay, cool. And because granny is not feeling well, she calls to home, the granny. Okay, and she tells the role like, okay, you take the female guys now and practice the lines, and granny goes to chill, to dry clothes or something, okay, somewhere in the backyard. In that time, the granny's granddaughter comes in. She wants to give some cookies or something, okay, and she comes in slowly. And when she comes in and sees that Elreda is not her granny, but she looks like her granny, and she gets scared and she shouts out for help. Okay, that is when. Okay, did I miss something?
Elreda is not the granny. She looks like the granny.
Yeah, because she was wearing the female attire. Okay, I hope everybody is on the same page, or did somebody lose the context? Oh, a lot of question mark face. Okay, nice, interesting. Should I start again?
We were dressed the same.
Elreda originally is a guy. I mean, Elreda is playing a guy, and she's dressing up as a girl.
Okay,
For this
Anisha, I'll start again. It's my mistake. I'm really sorry. Okay, you know Red Riding Hood, the story. Everybody knows Red Riding Hood, where the granny is there and there's a granddaughter and everybody. Okay, so it's the same. It's the same, like similar, not same. Here the granny is a theater artist. Okay, okay, and she calls Elreda for a play practice, and in that, and granny leaves. So Elreda is dressed like a granny. Okay, in that time her granddaughter comes. Okay, one second. I'm really sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so the granddaughter comes and she sees that her granny is not there. Okay, but Elreda is disguised as granny, which was the case. She was basically like dressed as a wolf, and she shouts for help. That's when Jharna comes. Okay, so Jharna is this bulky, muscular person. Okay, she picks up an axe and comes. Okay, to save the granddaughter. Got it? But the funny part is there is already a tussle between Elreda and Jharna before. Okay, so that emotions flayed and there was a fight in between. Okay, so it's no more between granny and granddaughter anymore. It became something more complicated. Got? So this is the statement. Okay. Okay, if you want to know, okay, Jharna, you have a question.
Yeah, is the fight physical or verbal?
You had an axe, so I'm sure you would have used axe at least once or twice. Yeah, it's not like there is no death and all, but yeah, it was like some Fight Club scene. Okay, yeah. Anyways, and then okay, if you want to know what the background thing happened between Elreda and Jharna, so Jharna is a great builder. She builds things for a lot of different animals. Okay, and she was like, okay, I'm going well. I have a contract with this thing, but at then Elreda actually opposed in between. Okay, opposed in the sense, okay, she was building she built one house. Jharna built a house. She was going to build one more house. At that point, Elreda said, no, you cannot build one more house because this is my land and you cannot capture it. Okay, I hope everybody got almost it. Okay, it's a lot of open-ended. It should be open-ended, so that's how I'm keeping. Got it? Cool. Okay. Any doubts regarding the case thingy? Anybody like to know like who is playing what and all? If you want, you can change your names right now. Like the lawyer of Elreda. If you,
And why did Jharna put a case on Elreda?
Here, Elreda put case on Jharna because Jharna attacked.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
But so Jharna.
Sorry, it's vice versa actually. So it's like because Elreda is a criminal here, though Jharna took a axe to hit. Okay. There was a scuffle. Here, Jharna put the case against Elreda. We don't know what actually happened. Okay. Okay, if she really hit or not, we don't know.
I don't understand. Why is Elreda a criminal by just wearing granny's dress?
She's not a criminal wearing a granny dress because you went to save the granddaughter with an axe and you had a fight and we don't know what actually happened, who hit who and everything. But here, you put a case that Elreda did something to you. Got it? So I privately will message if she is guilty or not beforehand. Okay. Now the lawyers have to defend their particular parties. I hope Sahitya and Prarthana are aware of the circumstances.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Awesome. Cool. Here, every lawyer gets to pick up 2 witnesses. Not now. Like you can call in a police officer or a doctor. It's up to you. And people will act out as a doctor, like witness. Yeah, this is what happened and all. It's up to you. You're getting. You can use anybody other than the main people, Jharna or Elreda. Okay. And me and Sam would be guiding and building the narrative slowly. Okay. See, to just show the dynamics. Now people will give opening statements about the case. Then there will be cross questioning, and then finally closing statement. Finally, all the people around remove their roles. Now, based on the lawyer's arguments, will decide who actually, if she did or not. If she we will act as a jury. You got the point? But I have already decided if she had done the crime or not privately, which she knows, and she will tell at the end. Okay, if it happened or not. Cool. I hope you people got the format. Cool. Awesome. We will do it for 20 minutes, like 650, like opening, cross questioning, and closing statement. 20 minutes of this thing, that thing, and what else? Yeah. And after closing statements, we decide if Elreda did the thing or Jharna did or whatever. Oh, awesome. Cool. You get 1 minute to think about your opening statements, lawyers. Okay. And the people who are called on should switch on the video and talk. Okay. That's how it is. And one more thing, everybody has to listen how the case is progressing. That's very important because that's how the narrative builds. I hope everybody is on the same page. Let's see how it unwinds because nobody knows. And now I'm messaging Elreda if she has done it or not. What actually happened? Okay, privately. Awesome. Chalo. I give 1 minute now. 6:31. The lawyers, please think about the opening statements. Okay. So, Sahitya, you are defending Jharna. Prarthana, you are defending
Elreda.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, guys. Time is up. I hope you have your opening statements. For the people, okay, the 2 people on the Katghara can stay, Jharna and Elreda, and the 2 lawyers can stay. Other people, please switch off your videos and mics. And when when there will be cross questioning, okay, then Saitya will call, okay, let me call the police in the case, for example, Josephine. It's up to him whom he chooses. And maybe Pratham will call, let's call the forensic expert. Let me call Ansila or Udbhav. It's up to you. But make sure that everybody is called in, and the people who are called should take that acting thing, the characters which they bring in. It's up to them. Okay. Okay. Let's start now. Opening statement from Jhanna's lawyer Sahitya, because he's accusing Elreda.
Hi, jury. My client Jharna is a very peaceful and a law-abiding citizen. She is a contractor of repute, and she was working on a site when she heard a small girl shouting. Upon approaching the scene, she realized that the guilty Elreda is molesting the girl who had come to give her cookies. She was also dressed very scarily in an inappropriate attire, and she was trying to molest the girl.
The judge wants to close your opening statement in next 10 seconds.
And so I wish that the court sees this as a proper crime and punishes Elreda with the required the law.
Okay, thank you so much, Saitya. Yeah. Now we want the defendant's lawyer Prathna to present her opening statement. Saitya, please mute.
Good day to the jury. I am defending Elreda Lewis here, who has been wrongly accused by Ms. Jharna Gupta. The scene was, Elreda is an artist. She was working in Mrs. Elsa's theater. So she was dressed in an attire appropriate to the character. By chance, her granddaughter happens to come in and get scared of an unexpected person in the theater at that point of time. This situation was misread by Ms. Jharna Gupta, and she proceeded to violently attack my...
The judge wants decorum, and the defendant Elreda cannot make the lawyer laugh with pop references. Yeah, please continue.
Ms. Jharna Gupta violently attacked my client, and I strongly condemn. I hope the jury sees this and strongly punishes Ms. Jharna Gupta for her actions.
Awesome. Thank you so much, both the lawyers. Now that you have put your opening statements and everybody, the jury has heard. So now, because you have made your opening statements, we want the bring the witness and cross questioning to start. So your time starts now. So Sahitya, Prathna, maybe you should start, to cross question Jharna if you want, or your witnesses. It's up to you.
I would first like to start with Ms. Jharna Gupta. Ms. Gupta.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, I can proceed.
How do you do today? Hope you don't have any access.
No, I'm keeping my hand on the Bible. Whatever I say,
to take your oath.
Nothing but the truth.
Thank you. So, my first question is, can you elucidate upon the incident from your point of view?
Sure. Yes, so I was constructing a special home for stray animals, and I heard a noise. And so I have one construction for stray animals and one construction for orphan children. And then one of my orphanage child Eldrida, I could hear, because I'm like, I construct these spaces and I also look after them. And I heard her voice, and it sounded like a lot of distress. And I'm a big propagator of animal rights and child rights. You can see this is a village of just 200 people.
Pratna, you have to cross question.
So I heard, and I went, and I had the axe because I was working on cutting wood for the next project. And because I saw
1 minute,
an attacking position,
I thought you were working on the shelter.
Sorry?
Weren't you working on the shelter? Weren't you working on the animal?
Yeah. I heard, while I was working on the shelter, I heard her voice calling out.
What was about the next project?
Sorry?
So what was the statement about the next project? If you were already working on the animal shelter.
I was also working on shelter for homeless children.
We have a multitasker.
Yeah, everybody in the village knows that. That's what I do. I don't have my own kids, and I work for them. Yeah, anything for children. Yeah, so when I heard the voice in distress, whether it's an animal or one of my kids, I go for it. I saw her in attacking position, and I had the axe.
Pratna,
proceeded to attack.
Pratna, you have to bring more witnesses, and you have to cross question. You cannot keep on make her talk. If she's saying something, cross question, or you call in one more witness.
Thank you. Is that going to be all for me for now?
So you proceeded to attack in front of a child?
I was saving the child.
You proceeded to attack?
I threatened. I did not hurt. There's no blood. No blood report.
I would like to call a passerby, Miss Ancilla, to see her point of view. She happened to be on the spot when Miss Jarna was attacking my client.
Other people who are not speaking can go off video. Ancilla can come in. Sorry for the logistics.
All right. So I was among one of the crew members who was busy practicing and like helping others practice in the theater, in the hall, and all of a sudden I see that Jharna has that Jharna comes running with an axe, and she was about to attack one of our most important actors of the show. I was just terrified. I was so terrified that I fainted right away, and after that I can't remember.
So you saw Miss Jarna with an axe running at my client.
Yes, I did.
How would you describe? How would you describe Eldrida? A kind person?
Eldrida is a very talented person. She might lose her temper once in a while, but that's a very rare situation. That day she was very happy and bubbly, and what.
So you're saying she's usually calm.
She's usually calm, yeah.
Okay, guys.
And
awesome.
kind.
Now we got the one witness, and Jharna has been questioned. Now we want Jharna's lawyer to either question Eldrida, the passerby, or bring a new witness to make a point. So yeah.
The
other people can please. Okay, Ancilla can go off video. Yeah.
Maybe she's a nice person, jury judge, but she has attacked the child, and she was molesting the child, and that's when my contractor had to save the child from
Mr. Sahitya, I have been listening this for so long. Can you bring in your witness or cross-question it? Or you cannot just use big terms, and it's very big accusations. So can you please bring your witnesses to validate your claims?
Yeah, I would like to call on Mr. Udbhav.
Who is Udbhav?
Udbhav Vats, who is the shopkeeper at the end of the road.
Awesome. Okay, Udbhav.
Yeah. So, sir, I was just selling my tea, and
One second.
Yeah, Mr. Udbhav.
Mr. Sahita, the lawyer, you did not have an ask question, and your witnesses started talking like, what's happening?
I was just telling my story. Okay. Please ask, sir.
Mr. Udbhav is a reputed, a famous
Tea seller.
Tea seller at in the village, and everybody comes down there in the evening, exactly around 4 p.m. when the incident happened.
No,
Mr.
be the
Udbhav,
best tea seller, bro.
yeah, he's the
Act
best.
like the best tea seller. Yeah.
Best
So,
tea seller.
yeah.
So at 4 p.m. exactly, Mr. Udbhav was just approaching the building when he heard, when he saw our contractor, Jharna, who's a regular customer to his shop, running into running into the granny's house, and he followed her because he also could hear the voices. So I would like to ask Mr. Udbhav, what exactly happened when you guys reached inside? Did you see Elrida molest the child, or and attack Jharna, or what was happening? And because Jharna, she defended herself with the axe.
Sir, I'm just going to tell you, sir, that I was just having a great time preparing my tea, and I just saw this furious guy named I know this guy Jharna, and he was just charging with his axe and just murmuring and again, today I'm going to kill him. Today I'm going to kill him. And after that, by the time I just reached, everything was just as everyone described. The kid was there, and Elrida was there, and all the theater people were protecting Elrida, and Jharna was full with rage. So that's
Yeah,
all I
but
can
did you
say.
see Elrida attacking Jharna?
I did not see anything.
Dude, you are my witness.
Thank you, Udbhav, the peace seller. Mr. Sahitya, I thought the witness you have called would support your stance, but it happened vice versa. Do you want to cross question Elrida?
No. But I heard her. I heard Jharna saying that I wanted to kill that person.
Udbhav, you have made your point. We really appreciate it. You have took the oath and you have done whatever you have to do.
चाय वाले को कोई
Please
भाव
play,
नहीं
no,
देता है.
you please go off now. We've heard, but Sahitya now you have to.
So I have another village leader.
No, Sahitya, I would. Okay, go with you. It's up to you. Yeah. You want to cross question Elrida or somebody else?
I want to change my lawyer. I'm not happy with this lawyer. Give me more time.
So you can always defend yourself.
I'm so sorry. It's not gonna happen. The laws of judges doesn't allow it today. But Sahitya is a lawyer. But yeah, please carry on.
This was that.
I'm sorry, Jhana. It's a contempt of court. You cannot talk right now. Sahitya, please bring in your expert or whoever that is.
Yeah, can I call on Anisha Pugdail to the bench?
Yeah. Who is that person?
She's a village leader.
You don't have police or doctor or forensic experts.
We have live witnesses to the scene.
Okay, Sahitya, please bring in the village doctor, which is very important. Yeah. Yeah. Who is our Anisha, the village doctor, please.
Yeah, hi Anisha. Can you recall your statement that you saw Elrida attack our client Jharna with her fist?
Yes. I swear in the court to provide all the details that I have been involved. I am not sure as I wasn't there at that venue, but what I have heard is that there has been a scuffle between these two people. And there has been some beating, and there has been some pointing of fingers and some pointing of axes.
But have you seen Elrida attack Jharna?
I am a doctor. I am so busy. I cannot be eyes everywhere in the village.
But Elrida also took away your land, right? She was the one who. She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who took away your land, right? She was the one who to who built a house on your land, wasn't it?
I am a poor doctor. I don't have any land.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Anisha, the village doctor. Um, Sahitya, uh,
My
you have one more chance to bring a witness because I don't think anything is going towards you. But I'm really sorry. I
No,
want to be
no,
unbiased,
Your
but
Honor.
this is not.
My another
You want to
witness.
cross question Elreda? Like,
Yeah, Elrida.
okay, awesome.
Can I speak to Elrida, please?
Yeah, sure. You have 1 minute. Yeah, and then there are closing statements.
Ms. Elrida Lewis, can you describe your describe the things that went on that day?
Listen, I only speak about the truth and nothing but the truth. But coming from somebody with a name like Sahitya, speaking such false nonsense, making such ridiculous and heinous claims, oh my god, I really feel like talking to you guys right now. But because I'm on this court of law, I feel obliged. So, yeah, okay. So, I'm sorry, what was the question? I was carried away with my emotions.
What exactly happened when you saw Jarna? Why were you molesting the child?
Objection, Your Honor, you cannot state that. You don't.
Objection sustained. Sahitya, you cannot use that again because you haven't put any facts to sustain, like, support that. So you cannot just label it. Yeah.
Okay, why was the girl crying
See,
and
I was
shouting?
saying nothing, okay? I was like sitting in the living room and I'm just like waiting for Auntie Elsa to come and like start the proceedings or whatever. And suddenly I can hear this girl from like the corner of my eye like shouting. And out of the blue is like Jarna like storming into the room with an axe. And I'm just like, yo, man, what's up? Like, I'm just here to act, not molesting anyone. Like, stop attacking me with this axe. And then obviously there were like marker like bruises. I don't know what report she's talking about. How the hell did she get access to this report? How does she have all of this information about DNA and like bruising and things like that? That's very fishy to me. But all I can say is, with so many witnesses, in fact, even you brought witnesses to in favor of me. I don't know why, but thank you very much.
Have you taken the girl's cookies?
No, I did not take anyone's cookies.
You didn't touch the girl's cookies.
No, I did not.
Nor did you. Nor did you attack the girl for the cookies.
No.
Okay. The cross questioning time is over. So now the lawyers have to present their closing statements. I'm really sorry, but time is running out. So please present your closing statements. And for the people who are late, so you all are juries based on whatever you have heard. At the end, you have to decide who is guilty, if Elrida is guilty or not, which Jarna is accused. Cool. Yeah, the lawyers, please come on the screen, and yeah, first Prathna, please give your closing statement.
As proved in the court, my client is completely innocent. She has not attacked anyone and is not guilty of any crimes that the opposition accuses her to be of. And since the opposition has not been able to prove anything in their favor, in turn they have actually proved our case. I rest my case there.
Your Honor, I'd like to consider that Elrida was there in that house and
1 second. I have changed my mind. Jarna, Saida has put in a lot of effort, but if you want to change your lawyer at this moment, you can actually choose. You can choose Josephine, Bhavna, or other people who haven't been part of it. I can see Said has struggled and he tried to save, but there's a chance. You can just bring in.
I'd like to bring in Josephine.
Josephine is your ad hoc lawyer right now. Okay.
Josephine, please. Saitya, thank you so much for helping us out. Uh, we'll bring you back. Yeah, Josephine, you are defending Jhanna now. So you can bring witnesses right now to support Jhanna's stance. You can bring 2 witnesses.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute each.
I would like to bring the granddaughter as a witness.
Who?
The granddaughter as a
Who is the granny? Granny also known as
no,
who?
no, not the granny, the daughter.
Oh, the granddaughter. Yeah, she wants to bring the granddaughter. Who is the granddaughter? Her name? Josephine? Is it Bhavna or who is it? Okay, we have Bhavna. We have Bhavna. Yeah, Bhavna is the granddaughter. Awesome. We want the granddaughter Bhavna to come on the Kadghara and yeah. Yeah, Pratna. Yes.
Do we have permission to bring minors in the court?
Yeah, we do have. Summer vacation. Yeah, they're not missing school. Yeah, Bhavna, please. You're the granddaughter. Please come on. She's here. Awesome. Okay, have the conversation. Yeah. Joseph.
I don't know what this. Sorry, go on.
So hi Bhavna, thank you for joining us. I know it's a lot of pressure on you. I would like just you to answer simple questions right now. So I've heard that you were scared by Eldrida, and I want to confirm if there was any reason behind for you to be scared. Were you attacked? Were you cookies taken from you? Can you tell us a bit more about this?
Yes, actually I was eating cookies and I had my lollipop. That reminds me, please give me my lollipop back. The security guard took it away from me when I was coming in. Oh,
sure, we'll do. So you had your cookies?
Yeah, right? I had my cookies and then I went out to bring my toy from the other room, and then I came back into the room, and then I saw the cookies were not there, and then I saw Eldrida, and I got scared.
Okay, so your cookies disappeared. Okay, so thank you, Bhavna, for your statement. I would like to bring another witness, if it's possible. I would like to bring Ansela. She's a junior artist from the play.
Oh, okay. Ansela on the Kadghara, please.
Yeah. All right. So I'm, for those of you all who don't know me, I'm a junior artist from the same play that we were working on that day. And I have to tell you all that what you all think is completely wrong. I know what exactly happened that day. So I basically...
So thank you. Thank you. I'll let you continue. Can you explain us clearly what you saw did happen and why we were wrong from now on?
Yeah. So actually, before I tell you what happened that day, a few days ago, Jharna had also come to audition for the play, as I clearly remember. So, and like she had gotten a role as well. And I remember that on the day of the play, I was one of the junior artists at the background, and I saw Jharna running towards the stage, but it was all just an act in the play.
So
she was just being a natural actor.
Okay, so she was part of the play, and her role was to come with the axe. Okay, and
yes, exactly.
And everybody was aware of this role. You were aware?
Yes, I was aware. Eldrida is lying.
Okay, thank you so much, Ansela, for this very important piece of information.
Thank you so much. Prathna, do you want to cross question your witness Ansela, who is like saying two different things?
Ms. Ansela?
Yes.
Can you hear? Why do you want to change your earlier statement about you fainting? Can you hear me?
No, that wasn't me. That was some girl who fainted. This is me, junior artist. She was a cleaner.
There are two witnesses named Ansela who look exactly the same.
Pratna, please be professional and remember who the witness were. I find this inconsistency a bit weird on your side.
And stop calling me bro.
Yeah, the witness has their rights of the way they want to be called. So yeah, we should respect that. Absolutely.
I'm sorry for disrespecting that.
Yes. So Prathana, now yeah, the time is up. We see that now the closing statements based on whatever you have seen. Now the witnesses have also shaky. So let's see how the statements would go. Josephine, you want to start the closing statement?
Yes, sure. So I think we have all discovered that there were some big holes in the stories of Eldrita part. The only important witness was a chai seller. I don't know if we can really trust him, as we have also other statements from people that were closer and actually inside the theater house when the thing happened. I would say that this proves that the story of Eldrita is not true, and that she did it on purpose. The fact that the cookies disappear is it's a very obvious point against her. So,
thank you so much, Josephine. Prathana, yeah, we see that your client seems like she left her place, or maybe she is guilty. We don't know. I'm being a non-partial judge here, so I cannot accuse anybody. But yeah, please give your closing statements before the jury decides whether Eldrita is guilty or not.
Yeah. So, as proven before, I think the whole scene has been misjudged. It was a simple misunderstanding between Miss Eldrita and Mrs. Elsa's granddaughter. And the whole scene was completely misread by Miss Gupta. And she proceeded to violently attack.
Order. Audience should not use puns to distract the lawyers. Please. And you cannot make the judge laugh. Yeah, he's serious. Prathna, please carry on.
Since the witnesses are also quite shaky and the lawyers changed, I wonder what happened behind there. I demand that Ms. Gupta be punished for wasting the court's time with their false accusers and also for falsely attacking my client in front of a little child.
Awesome. Thank you so much, the lawyers. So we have the wonderful audience and everybody. I accept this for this forward. I think other people can actually vote. Everybody else as jury. So yeah, please tell or put comments like, do you think Eldrita, like the accused, is guilty or not? There is silence. Come on, guys. Yeah, Ansela, Anisha, Pranshu, Sahitya, Udbhav, you people have to, and Sam, we have people, you people have to vote. Hey, Ansela, no. It's only for Eldrita or Jharna. Like, is Eldrita guilty or not? Okay.
I think Eldrita is guilty for lying.
Okay, one. Jharna is guilty.
This is the junior artist speaking.
Okay. No, you're no more jury, right? No more junior artist. You are a jury now. You're part of like.
What about the
1 by 10.
cleaner? The cleaner doesn't get.
Oh no 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 no! That's not possible. But yeah, yeah. What did you say, Ansela? What's your vote? Is Eldreda guilty or not?
Eldreda is guilty for lying in the court.
Okay, 2 guilty Eldreda. Jharna 1 guilty. Udbhav 3. Like okay, 2 to each. Who else is left?
I voted on chat.
Yeah. So I'm not able to count it. Anisha, did you put your vote? Okay, can people tell it out because I'm confused. I'll ask one by one and just note it. Okay, Ansela, what's your vote? Is Eldreda guilty? Yes.
Sign language, J or E?
Eldreda is guilty.
Okay, 1. Who else then? Okay, Anisha, can you tell it out? Did we lose Anisha?
Not guilty.
Anisha, okay, Eldreda is not guilty. Awesome. Okay. Then we have Josephine is lawyer. Pranshu, you said Eldreda is guilty, right?
Yeah, cookie eating monster.
Cookie eating monster, awesome. Sahitya, what's your vote?
Of course, Eldreda stole the cookies and hurt the child.
Awesome. Okay, 3. Who else is there? Yeah, Udbhav. Udbhav, what's your vote?
I think Jharna is guilty because, as I told she was very furious and she was going to kill Eldreda beforehand. So it was a premeditated
Awesome.
attempt to murder.
Okay, based on the voting, I think Sam is. Sam? Okay, Sam is out. I think he's a bit busy. But yeah, we have 6 votes. Eldreda, 4 votes that you are guilty and 2 votes that you are not guilty. Okay, Jharna is guilty. So before this entire thing started, I asked you like I sent you if you're guilty or not. So what just tell what you asked.
Okay, I'm not guilty.
She's not guilty. So it was yeah.
The jury is wrong then, basically.
Yeah, basically jury is wrong.
It's making the murderer season 3.
Oh yeah, Bhavna is there. Oh my god, where were you?
I lost connection for like 7 minutes entirely.
Let's wait for Bhavna and Sam to also vote. Maybe there is still hope for humanity.
Oh, but I gave the spoiler.
They caught it. No, I don't think they caught it.
Did they hear it?
Okay,
I heard it.
But I think it was 4 people against 2, no?
Yeah, 2. But yeah, Bhavna and Sam's votes are pending. But Bhavna has heard.
What were you
Bhavna, what did you think? Whether Eldreda was guilty or not?
I only stated that my cookies were gone and I came back. So, and I was taken a witness by Josephine. So, yeah, I was claiming her to be guilty.
Okay, Eldreda is guilty. So it doesn't matter if Sam comes in.
No, I voted, man. I voted long time ago.
Oh, okay. It was amazing, guys. Oh wow. Everybody put their 100%. Eldreda, obviously. Now, if we look back, there are a lot of ways to get better answers. But yeah, based on whatever we have seen, Eldreda is guilty. But at the start, she was not guilty. But I loved how, yeah, community service.
Have you guys heard of the movie, the
12 Angry Men?
12 Angry Men, yeah.
High five, bro.
Yeah.
It's the third time we are hearing this because yeah, that's a wonderful movie. Everybody should watch. Yeah. Yeah, the people, Jharna and Eldreda, do you want to say something? How are you feeling? How your lawyers defended? Like
I want to go with an axe after the lawyer now. But thanks to Josephine for saving this day a little bit. And yeah, Udbhav.
But Jharna, you won the case.
I know, but look where it was going with Udbhav and Sam.
Sam was not called on the right.
He was calling out the shot saying that I'm guilty.
Oh, like that. But yeah, you both the lawyers did try. Okay, Josephine was very graceful. Sahitya tried his best. Okay, he did not expect the witness would turn like that. So
Yeah, absolutely. I think
you have
getting the
spoken with him.
cookie monster out was a huge success. That helped tilt the case a lot.
But like questioning granny and granddaughter would have been so awesome. The lawyer should have tried that first before bringing the shopkeeper, junior artist, and everybody.
Yeah. Actually, I was confused. I thought Ancilla was always the granddaughter. Only in the second part we realized it was Bhavna.
But
somewhere in the plot, I was confused too.
Okay, but Jhanna, it was not decided, right? Nobody called, so we did not decide who the granddaughter is.
Yeah, right.
Awesome, guys. Yeah, your thoughts? Any questions? Yeah, other stuff. Yeah. Oh, I love this silence. Silence is golden. Speech is silver. My life is bronze. Guys, don't make it awkward. Just tell me good stuff. I need validation now.
The play was platinum.
Elreda was guilty.
I was just,
Total Trivago.
You're going off now, like the silence is silver and everything. So you tell us, I was just saying the play or this thing was platinum. Yeah.
Ah, okay. I thought the Grammy thing. Oh, awesome, bro. Thanks.
No. Yeah.
I'm slow in these references. But yeah, cool. I hope you people enjoyed it. This was my first time trying this. And I hope I should have started with the 4 rules of improv. I wanted to remind you because it has been a week. Can somebody tell now what the 4 sub-skills I spoke about for 3-4 sessions? Anybody? Anybody, please? I suck as a teacher.
Something about leaving things open-ended so the other person can build on it.
Yeah, close enough. Yeah, yes, anding. Yeah, you add something so that other person adds. That's one. Okay, I'll just repeat it.
Is it something in relation with be present and listen carefully?
Yes, yeah, that's the first rule. Thank you so much.
One of them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so, I have all the 4 of them.
Yeah, please tell that. Please share the 4.
Oh, all right. Then we unconsciously say a lot of things. It should be the other way around. That's the second one. And third one is collaboration, adding to the other person's inputs. And the last one, always be willing to surrender to your plans.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Ancilla. Yeah, I'll just use the different words, the terminology which we use, but you have almost hit it properly. It's a 6er, but yeah, it's basically collaborative. So yes, anding. You don't negate, you don't throw it away, whatever offer you get. So there are many instances during the interaction also, there were offers, but the witnesses or the lawyers did not catch him. So I could see that. But yeah, you can look back and think about where you could have accepted the offer, it taken a different twist or something. Yeah. But I love the village doctor, the characters you brought and everything. Okay, but anyways, the 4 laws. Don't negate. Always be willing to surrender your plans. Yes, and yeah, actively listening, which is core for any art form, which was sacrosanct. Even the jury, witness, everybody. Even if you thought that you're not lawyer or the person in the defendant or the accused party, you could have added a lot of stuff. You were listening and you had a lot of room, and you did do it really well. But there is always a lot to explore. But yeah, those are the 4 rules. I should have repeated at the start, maybe a reminder, and you could have done a bit better. But yeah. But anyways, guys, love you so much because you put your 100%. I could see it. I admire it. Big fan of yours. I'll send white sheets and you can give your autographs. Thank you so much. Yeah.
About tomorrow's session.
Oh yeah, Udbhav, my man. Throw some verses.
Yeah, man. So it's basically I'll be doing the session on comedy in different media. And first of all, like going into the theory of comedy and just telling like how comedy has been like used in different kind of media, ranging from skits in SNL to in movies and filmmaking. Then you have visual comedy, you have slapstick comedy and all that, and maybe explaining different kinds of comedy. So it's going to be an brief insight into the world of comedy, something like that.
Crazy.
What's the title?
Title for now, I have thought of comedy in different media.
Okay.
If you come up with a better title, do let me know. I'll also think of a better title.
All right.
Okay.
A quick
And one
question.
more.
Is it
and
more
one more
of
thing.
a presentation or some exercises too?
It's going to be a little more discussion kind of a. There will be some presentation as well, obviously, but then we'll just have a discussion kind of in this topic of comedy, and then like ask people opinion and whatever they have seen in movies and all. I'll keep it in a discussion type of. I'll keep it discussion type of a class. So that's what I intend to do. So I really want it to be more like sort of people discussing and sharing their knowledge regarding this, and that's all.
I suggested a
Title?
I'm not sure if it works or not. So it's like I pulled on the chat comedy colon for letter or for verse. So it's like a pun on for better or for worse.
Nice.
And then you can just say that comedy in different forms.
Okay, let's think about it. Thank you so much,
yeah.
Prantu. And one more thing, on Friday we have Blue Room. We don't have one stand-up comedian this time. We have one more joining. Okay, two people. There's one more friend called Vishnu. So he's gonna join the Blue Room and he would bring his funny insights towards it. So basically, the people who have missed. So on Friday, the Blue Room thing, we are gonna share our quarantine stories. There are tons of it. A lot of funny bits. People are showing their sides which we never see. So a lot of room for observation and share and laugh. So please come on.
And room for cringing.
Yeah, cringe is everywhere, bro. Yeah, cringe.
Oh my god, last time it was awkward so many times, but like it was funny, yeah.
Awesome. Yeah.
Ramesh,
Cringe.
I have a question.
Yeah,
If
please.
we have time.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
so
Please.
I was really curious, like how could this form have been used? Like how, what could we have done differently to prove the one who was guilty, and the one who was like, is there anything else that we should keep in mind?
A wonderful question. I feel if the person really understood the setting, like first thing, the main people who are there are like granny and the granddaughter. So if they would have come in and the questioning, like whatever premise was said, you have to question it, right? The lawyers could have questioned it right away, but they didn't. They brought in new characters, and the relevant character should be a policeman or a doctor, a forensic expert. Yeah, eyewitnesses are there. You could have brought that as well. So if you bring a special character who's relevant to a crime scene, the quality of question would also be different. It won't be like somewhere else. Though, yeah, the police could also be a really weird person. Like, I don't know, man. I just woke up, they called me, and I was sleeping on the bed of granny. I hardly saw anything. Then my guy came and woke me up. So that's a different trajectory. But yeah, so yeah, did I answer your question or just more to it?
Yeah, if you do it again, it'll get more clear, I think.
Absolutely. Yeah.
There's this thing that we had done in college, like Buddhist discussion and debates. Like debating is a very important aspect of Buddhist theology. So everyone first sided one side of the argument, and like you have to clap your hand to close the argument, and it's like rapid fire kind of a game. So I say something, then the person next who comes next says something absolutely against what I'm saying, and then people keep trying to up one against another. So when you began the exercise, I thought it would be something like that, but like then it went something.
Well, I had that intention, somewhat similar, but I don't think it's contextual to a quote. So that's why Yeah. And also the person who claims first, for example, the lawyer comes first and he says something, the defendant or the other person has to disprove that whatever the previous person says. So that should how it should have happened. But that was not the thing. So people were already thinking something, what should they say and all beforehand, which was not the intention at all. The intention was to be present as much as possible so that they assimilated. So yeah, but that didn't happen. But I'm even the time is a big constraint. I hardly gave any time. If I gave time, it could have gone for 3 hours, and there could have been a lot of interesting characters would have come up. Each person would have played 3 to 4 characters, and it doesn't matter if jury goes this side or that side. But we could have explored all the principles of improv. But yeah, time is a constraint. So that's how it is.
Anvesh, what is this game of improv exactly called?
I really don't know, bro. It just struck to me and I tried it. That's it.
Okay.
But I'm sure it's called mock court or something. There would be for sure. There would be court and everything.
All right.
Mock court is something even in series Suits it happens. I remember in the series Suits.
Yeah. And it was like a cold war between Rachel and Mike when they were doing it. Hello.
Oh, I don't remember. I remember
first season.
Louis coming in. Somebody accused.
Yeah. I think it happened more than once, but the first time it happened, there was already a cold war going on between Rachel and Mike, and they ended up hurting each other. To get to win in the mock trials. Like never mind. Yeah. Digressing. Yeah.
Great segue, but yeah. 12 Angry Men. People should watch. Suits, if you want, you can watch, but it's not for kids, so please.
No one's a kid here, I think.
No, there are kids here.
Who is here?
We have Bhavna.
Okay, so you guys are in school, Abhi, Bhavna and Pratna. Okay.
The future of our nation.
Going to college.
Okay, like this year?
Yeah.
I guess with Pratna, it's okay.
Yeah.
Bhavna is still a kid, I guess. Sorry about that.
The judge says no. Cool. That's about it. I'm sharing the feedback form in the group. I hope everybody is in the WhatsApp group. Please give your feedback. It matters. Cool. Ciao. See you tomorrow, day after, and Saturday, Sunday would be amazing. I'll come up with the details. But yeah. Good.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Pranshul, stay back.